In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted contacts from an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but what you're going to want to do first is actually open up a web browser of your choice and go ahead and head to icloud.com. Once you're on icloud.com, log in using Face ID or your Apple ID credentials, and whenever you're logged in, just scroll down, and what you're looking for is a data recovery option on here. Go ahead and select that. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down on here and you're going to want to look for restore contacts. Open up that page just like so, and if you've deleted any contacts recently, you'll see all of your available archives here. Choose the archive that you want to restore from, confirm the restore, and your contacts will automatically reappear here on your iPhone 12. Just keep in mind, you can only restore contacts deleted within the last 30 days, and this is only going to work if the contacts was enabled in iCloud before deletion. On top of that, this is going to replace your current contact list with the selected archive, but that is it. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can retrieve deleted contacts from an iPhone using iCloud. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.